I'm grateful to say that Governor DeSantis has decreed that real estate is an essential service. So we've got real estate being conducted all over the state of Florida, respecting social distancing. But sometimes that social distancing brings special problems in your own personal wellness, ensuring that you're eating right and thinking right and feeling right, exercising. I've got a true expert and friend of mine, Paula Fallon from Keller Williams Realty here, who is going to talk to us and give us some insights and ideas on how to take care of ourselves while we're working from home. Paula, welcome to the program.
Hi, Wally. So great to see you. Thank you for having me.
Well, I'm really happy to have you here. You know, wellness is really important to me. I like to stay active and do lots of great things. Up at 5 o'clock this morning without the alarm, a little bit of a workout, and then down some organic decaf coffee. What is the most important thing that people need to be doing so that they stay well and feel well while we're working from home?
Well, I think it's really important that you stick to your routine and just pretend like today is just like any other day. Definitely get out in the sun. Here in Florida, we're blessed enough to be able to still go out and take walks and go for a run or a bike ride. So make sure you're getting outside and getting fresh air every single day, and just getting up every day and showing up for yourself just like you used to. And it's a great time also just to start new habits. Now that you're at home, cook a little bit more. It's a great time to make sure you're eating lots of fresh fruits and vegetables to keep your immune system up. And I think one of the biggest things you can do is really don't watch too much news and don't watch a lot of social media when it comes to what's happening with the coronavirus. We all know what's going on. People are going to, reach out to us and say, hey, have you heard? I actually found out from a friend about the order yesterday for us to be safer at home here in Florida. And so you're going to hear that news anyway. So I would say limit yourself to like maybe 15 minutes if you need to catch up on what's going on, because that can weigh real heavy on you. And just, make sure that you're getting plenty of sleep, you're getting plenty of fresh air, and you just get up, dress up and show up. Like Wally said, get up and do your normal routine. Get up, do your workout, have your coffee, and get started with your day.
How important is reaching out to friends and family and coworkers, even though we're in these remote locations?
Well, we're so blessed to have the technology that we have, and I think it needs to be our number one priority right now. Reaching out to clients, if you're have your own business or you're even working for someone else, reaching out to your clients and just asking them how they are and checking in with them and letting them know that you're thinking about them and asking them if there's anything you can do with that, for them during these times. And with family and friends, we're doing a lot of Skyping and a lot of FaceTiming. You can do Facebook Messenger is free. You can get a whole bunch of people on there. You can do Zoom for free. There are just so many ways for us to reach out. Friday night, I'm having a happy hour with my girlfriends. Every Sunday, we have a family meeting with all the kids and the cousins and the grandparents. And so there's just so many ways for us to stay connected and see each other, even though we can't physically be near each other. And it will really lift your spirits. I mean, we really have a good time on those calls.
And how are you using these same tools, everything from Zoom to Facebook Live and whatnot? How are you using these tools to continue to productively perform your job as a real estate agent?
Well, Wally, honestly, I have had a lot of clients who have bought properties sight unseen before this happened. So, listen, there's a saying, if you can find a husband or a wife on the internet, you can find a house on the internet, right? Most people are finding the homes they want to look at on the internet anyway. And we're able to go out, and if the home is vacant, we're able to do a virtual walkthrough without any issues whatsoever. And we're taking our precautions. I wear my gloves, I wear my mask just to be safe and be sure that I'm not going to pick anything up. And if the sellers are wanting to allow us to come in and do a virtual walkthrough, we do. Otherwise, we have the sellers participating as well. They're actually doing the virtual walkthroughs for us, for the clients. And I have had many, many clients that don't actually walk through the house until right before they're going to the closing table. So we can still help you with your real estate needs and get it done for you.
That's outstanding. I'm so glad that you've embraced the technology, and it's business as usual as well as personal life, pretty much as usual.
Yes.
I got one last question for you. I know you would not be a person to drink a store-bought energy drink. What is your favorite concoction in the blender for that quick pick-me-up?
Well, I love to include vegetables in that. And I know a lot of people think, oh, I don't want a vegetable in my smoothie, but you don't really taste it. So creating a smoothie with kale and spinach, two of the best greens you can put into your body to build your immune system, and some fruits, banana, pineapple, mango. Throw in a little ginger. It's great for digestion. A little turmeric, it's really good for you.
Yeah.
And a really clean protein powder. And I myself like to use E3 Live, which is a blue-green algae. So I like to add that with a half a cup of crushed ice and some water.
I like it. I also discovered if you go heavy on the veggies rather than heavy on the fruit, you don't pick up all the sugars and all the calories, and it keeps you staying buff. And even a hint of ginger. I like to get a little ginger in there, get some tan.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much, Paula. I'm glad
you don't
you're
want to
doing
put
well.
more than a cup of fruit.
Right.
Thank you.
Got to stay slim. Appreciate Paula Fallon being with us. She's conducting real estate, as always, staying healthy and well, as always. We appreciate you, and we'll see you real soon.